So 2 weeks back, we put out some new 3D anatomy in the form of the surface anatomy of the bovine. And we are doing a similar thing here today with the surface anatomy of the equine. And whilst this is a relatively simple model, the content it covers is important because when you're communicating with equine clients and they're communicating with you, often they're going to be using terms that aren't necessarily the clinical terms that you might use as a veterinarian. So understanding what these terms are in layman terms is going to be really important for you and for the client and for you to have a good communicative experience. So this content covers all the major surface anatomy of the equine and focuses on the layman terms for all these areas. In terms of where to find it on Evala Learn, you can find it under the 3D Anatomy Viewer project here. And if you're a VIN member, the students will find it most easily on the Student Center here. And it can also be found as well under Multimedia or Learn Anatomy in 3D too. And once you come to the Learn Anatomy in 3D page, just clicking here on this button will take you through to the project.